making a peta of the subject of the monsters. So you will grab. See. I found the key. I'll get a peta. Oh no, the peta is coming. I gonna put the wait. No, this is a treasure of the.
Don't open.
Wait. Ulit.
Sabi ko, don't open eh.
Ulit. Hello po. Today you will make a school of nightmare of the peta. Let's start. Ting. I found the key. Oh no, I found the multo. I gotta place it. Where?
Naglalakad ka, Clay?
No, sa inside kami. Daddy, may yung peta. Daddy. Wait.
Clay, may nakalagay dun eh. What's next?
I found the key from the peta. Oh no, the monster is coming. Which I place? Oh, this one. I'll place here. Where?
Commercial.
Wait. Where? Oh no, the monster is coming. Where should I place?
Tagalog?
There's one.
Akala ka magtatagalog ka na.
Where?
Bibidyo ko Aryan eh.
Wait, again. Oh no, the pet is coming. Where should I? Daddy, I don't want to go to church. It's boring.
Okay. Babay na muna, babay.
No, wait lang. Where should I place? This one.